starting 2026, it's January. If you have a chance to speak with the the government, like
Uy,
may chance
baka
po
mandiyan
kayong
si
kausapin
Yusek Lepkin.
or makausap niyo po directly si Pangulong Marcos, would you say that 2026 is an all or nothing battle against the Duterte?
It is because 2026 should be when the 2028 presidential candidates are going to come out. Although they say don't show your cards till it's close because then they're going to target you like they did with sino yung medyo hindi nakikita pag dilim. Mayor, sino nga yun, Jonas?
Bina?
Binay! Si Mayor Binay.
Mm.
'Di ba, yung tinarget na siya, hindi na siya, wala na, nawala na siya sa survey. So they say, "Oh, wag mo na muna, that's why Duterte." Si Duterte daw, ano, like at the last minute na siya nag-substitute because, you know, para hindi siya ma-target, he ended up on top. But 2026, this is what Richard A. Dorian says all the time about Sara Duterte. When you strike at the king, you better damn well make sure he is dead. Because if you don't kill the king, you watch out. We better make sure she's, not literally dead, but make sure the Dutertes are out of the way. Kasi pag bumalik yan, sigurado kulong yan si PBBM when he's
Mhm.
out of office. She is kabingador ng mga Duterte.
Vindictive.
Ang galit siya. I think he ran against him for president. He could have let him free. Hindi niya. Pero talaga lahat ng mga Duterte, di ba Sara Duterte said that in one of her videos. This is Christmas time, pero hindi ako magpapatawad dahil talagang ganyan ako. Talagang chucky na chucky.
Talagang iba po talaga, ang laki ng pagkakaiba ni Sara Duterte versus si Marcos sa nakikita.
That's good versus evil. If you don't know what that means, it means demonya versus taong matino.
I think more para sa karamihan po, meron po kasi akong special
Yomi,
event
hello.
na gagawin. It's a seven series episode. Ang pangalan po nun, Ikapitong Artikulo. Babalik tanaw natin yung 7 articles of impeachment ni VP Sara
Mm.
at play ko po yun. Kumbaga may iba't ibang vlogger po na sasali. Ipe-play ko po yun before February 6, which is the anniversary ng impeachment ni Sara Duterte. Kasi gusto ko po ipakita sa tao yung ano talaga yung pinakabuod nung ginawa niya eh. Bakit napunta dun sa impeachment. So, kaya excited din. So, that's one of my next project. So, going back, because it's January 2026, do you think that the government as a whole, with their messaging, do they need to have a full reset or overhaul of their messaging and machinery?
I think it's kind of too late to do a full reset. Maybe patch it up the best they can. Low hanging fruit. I guess identify the low hanging fruit, whatever they can do, like the ones that we identified na yung messaging na dapat pagkaling sa palasyo, yung message ninyo. And then of
Correct.
course, like we said, yung tungkol sa impeachment, hammer it out. I think he's starting now because instead of saying I wash my hands off of it, now he's saying everybody needs to be accountable and we are going to look at it the way we're looking at the flood control mess na talagang tututukan yan. So now he's not saying don't touch her, no impeachment. Now he's saying heck yeah. So iba na. Iba na not in those words but
Yeah.
iba na yung aura niya, 'di ba? Ma'am VMDXT na. Oh. And then I mean clearly he cannot change his personality but come on, be a little bit badass naman. PBBM. I wish we had a line to him, 'di ba? Na may mga new subscribers ka, oh, mga
Uy,
magaganda.
naku, thank you po. Thank you po sa mga nagsusubscribe. Yan. Thank you po sa inyo lahat.